In this video, we will introduce Adept's Related Fields feature, its use, and how it benefits our customers. The first question you may ask is, what are related fields? Adept's Related Fields feature allows you to define relationships or dependencies between your data. I like to think of it as relating your fields in a hierarchical or drill-down structure. Based on the selected option at the top level, that drives or filters my options that appear at the next sub-level of a hierarchy, and so on and so forth. This makes selections by your users easy and accurate. This feature also allows you to select an option from a drop-down list and, based on that selection, one or more related fields are automatically populated with the correct information. Before we show you more live examples in Adept, let's discuss some of the benefits of using related fields. The benefits of using related fields cover everything from making sure you get consistent, accurate data to making choices easier and more efficient for your users. In addition to presenting context-appropriate selections and the ability to autofill related fields with accurate information, related fields also allows you to provide additional information to help your users make the proper selection, as well as an easy and structured way to search for their documents. Let's look at specific examples of these benefits in Adept. We're currently in Adept's desktop client, where we're going to fill out information about one or more documents on a library card. Now, in our library card, we have different uses of related fields. The first is that we want to provide a logical way for our users to navigate to the proper facility for our project. So we are on the Project Info tab of our architectural library card. We start by selecting the states where our different sites exist. Now that I've chosen Pennsylvania, my next drop-down is context sensitive for all of our sites in Pennsylvania. Next, the sites within our Berwick city, and then the facilities available at that site. When we select a facility, we autofill the address of that location automatically. The same is true for our project manager. When we choose our appropriate project manager, their information is automatically filled out. If I ever need to make a change, as you can see, I can choose a different state. Now my cities are relevant to the state I've selected. Again, my sites within that particular state and my facilities that are available. As you can see, you may configure this so that as soon as you pick the facility, both the address and the project management information is automatically filled with the correct information. So with just a single selection, you can fill in many fields on an Adept library card. Makes it simple and accurate for your users. Another example that we have is for the manufacturing side. So if we look at a SolidWorks or Inventor assembly and look at the library card, our manufacturing library card, and our product info, we set up related fields so that the user can quickly choose a product type, a series from that product, and then a product name. You may use that product name to automatically fill in all the project manager information, or, as we've done today, let the user select a project manager and autofill that information. Again, if we pick our custom product types, now we have a different list of the series, our C6500 series or C7000, and now relative product names for that series. You may configure any number of related fields for your own hierarchies, autofill fields, to meet any needs that you have in your environment. Again, make things simple and accurate for your users. And our last example is that you can use related fields to allow your users to easily search for documents. So if I want to find everything from my commercial product type, my EX600 series, and maybe a specific product name for GL5, here are all my documents that met that search criteria: parts, drawings, assemblies, images, PDFs, Word documents. Related fields also helps your users select precise information and accurate information to perform their searches. Finally, let's conclude our discussion on related fields with some tips, tricks, and recommendations as you plan how you will best use related fields. First, we do recommend that your library card design properly lay out the fields in the order of dependency, as this makes it easier for your user to interpret. Numbering the fields and indenting them, as we shared in our examples today, is something we recommend whenever possible. This helps the user start with the topmost field and select the data in the order it was configured. Also, each field may only be used in one related field dependency. So if you have a related fields configuration as we did today with product series, type, and name, those three fields cannot be used in another related field definition or drill down. Finally, there are some details to consider when planning your implementation. Currently, related fields are not supported in the web client. Users will still see values in the library card, but if they are allowed to update library cards, they will need to supply the information by typing it in, as the related drop-down selections will not be available. The same is true if the same fields are designated as required fields on sign-in or approval in Adept. Existing restricted value fields cannot be used as related fields. They are mutually exclusive. And last, think about your related field definitions in relation to your extraction fields that may come directly from your attributes or properties in your CAD applications or Microsoft applications. Extraction fields happen automatically and will overlay information selected from related fields depending on your Adept configuration. We've given you an overview of related fields today. If you have additional questions or need more information, please contact us or visit our website at www.synergissoftware.com.